Most welcome to Kuokoko Namma YouTube channel. Today I brought you a recipe how to cook canned peas in 5 minutes. This is very important for who are living in abroad. Also, this can be easily cooked foreigners who like the Sri Lankan style foods. Especially people in European, Middle East countries can cook easily this way because they are using a lot canned peas in daily. Let's see what we need. I have prepared here 1 can with the 400 gram of peas, 200 ml of coconut milk, an onion, some turmeric powder, teaspoon of curry powder, if you have some of curry leaves, piece of cinnamon, some of fenugreek, 100 ml of water and salt to taste. First of all, open the can and take out the water and wash it well. You can see peas are well cooked. Add the peas to suitable pot to cook. Now you can add in turmeric powder, curry powder, and onion, curry leaves, piece of cinnamon, a some of fenugreek to pot. Mix it well. Add the prepared water on. Now you can put this on stove. Remember not to add salt until the peas are well boiling. You can cover it also for 2 minutes. Look, it's boiling well. Now you can add the salt as much you need. Also add coconut milk too. Now you can mix it well and keep in stove until the milk is boiled very well. Remember, keep stirring until the milk boils. Also, turn off the stove and stir for a minute. In 5 minutes, the pea curry is ready. Now you too can taste it. If you like my video, please like it and share it with your loving friends. If you haven't subscribed yet Kuokoko Namma, subscribe it too. And ring the bell also for new notifications. Thank you so much for staying with me. We will meet again in another delicious video. May you have long life. Have a blessed day.